go.
Everybody, I feel bad for Steve Irwin's death and all, but everybody's like, it's such a loss. He taught us so much about nature. If you want to learn about nature, why don't you watch Discovery Channel or Animal Planet? But all his show was Oi. That's a toy gun. It weighs 800 pounds and can kill a man in 10 seconds. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, dangry! Next episode, Oi. That's a king cobra, the most venomous thing in the world. One bite and I'm done for. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, Danger! You know, I'd like to see him go to Iraq. Everybody would be like, then they see a guy in shorts. Crikey. Oi, that's an Iraqi soldier, the most dangerous thing in the world. One push of a button, and I'm done for. I'm going to touch it with a stick.